Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are here at Semicon India 2024. We have got a very interesting guest, Mr. Basanagouda Patil, straight from US. So, Patil Saab, I just wanted to understand before we come to listen more stories about US. Can you tell us what you are exhibiting in the Semicon India, and can you let our audience know more about the product?
Yeah, so basically, this is a company called as SOLARIUS. We bought this company like last year.
Okay.
Officially, we introduced this company that we bought this in Semicon in South California in San Francisco Semicon.
Okay.
And then basically we are presenting here is a 3D profilometer which uses line sensor, chromatic confocal line sensor here.
Okay.
But Solaris is also known for many other solutions, not as a product, but basically Solaris is known in semiconductor industry, known as basically for a solution provider rather than product, basically.
Okay.
So here we are showing that there is a lot of things we can show. What we can usually Solaris serves a lot of tier 1, tier 2 companies where they want to know in semiconductor industries the defects or anything can be measured on the semiconductor field.
Correct.
They always been known for that. But here we are showing something which is more interesting. Is this is a desktop system, and what it does is we can create a 3D profiling, I would say.
Okay.
What it does is we can scan any surface and we can treat it. In the sense, when I say treat, we can post process and find different measurements and defects out of it. And then basically in the end what you want to achieve is whether it is whatever part is been produced can be seen whether it is okay or not okay. That's what actually basically it does. But we have different solutions for different applications. We can go for thickness measurements. We can go for total BGA. We call it as a BGA application. It's BGA is basically they want to know what is the diameter of the bumps, what is the height of the bump, what's the volume of it, and what during the production basically they want to understand whether bumps are there or not, and they want to see the flatness of the substrate and everything. We are giving complete solution basically.
You got a good experience in India, then quite number of years in US, again in India. You have seen India growing in different industry, Make in India campaign. You have seen from outside working in US. What has changed, and what sort of since it's day two, you must be meeting a lot of Indian customers.
Sure.
Your experience
Sure.
moving back here and there, and now again back in India, and I guess you will be operating from our state, Namma, Bengaluru.
Exactly.
So,
I'm located in Bangalore.
Okay.
Bengaluru now.
Okay.
So basically, I'm taking care of SOLARIUS application. I'm a manager there and also taking care of 3C,
Okay.
technical specialist.
Okay.
So my role will be, working with different customers. And I've been seeing, yeah, of course, India is a new. I mean, India is known to everyone in all over the world.
Correct.
So now Semicon being the new investment, I would say, in India. I mean, there's a big hype on it. Definitely, I'd see that there is always a chances, that it can grow quite quickly because of kind of resources we do have here. I mean, of course, it's a initial step, I would say. Then I think it can be, it will definitely grow in next 5 to 6 years. It will take some time, but yes, that's how we always seeing in different countries as well.
And lastly, how's the response of people who are coming looking at your machines and technology? Because I saw you yesterday also, today you are interacting very, happily and aggressively in explaining people. So how's the response from the visitor side?
I think, when it comes to semiconductor, there are very good, I would say, a lot of companies are there which are into semiconductor who are serving not only, they started investing themselves here in India right now. They are also been doing in the US, like compared, I think, there are a lot of tier 1 companies who are doing that. They are more interested because all the time they are finding solutions only in US, right? But now that they have been, because most of the people are working here,
Correct.
but they are working for US based companies in USA.
Correct.
But now they are seeing all the stuff what they are seeing there. Now they are interested in what can be done here, and they are also seeing, oh, now this is here. Yes, this is our response basically.
Thank you. Thank you, Patil Saab, and see you soon in Namma,
Sure.
Bengaluru.
Sure.
And
Nice
with,
meeting you.
with in CTR most probably. I am
Sure,
promoting
sure.
CTR. Thank you, Patil.
Thank you. Thanks.